Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back, and today I'm unboxing my very first pair of the Stefan Janoski Zoom Floral Black. Let's take a look. Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back, and today I'm unboxing my very first pair of the Stefan Janoski's Black Floral. I will get it right, it's a Black Floral. Let's get to it now. I love these nude boxes, they're so easy to open. So easy. All right, let's have a look. Nice little box. It's a little Nike SB box. Let's get that out of the way, and the paperwork, because these may have to go back. There we go. SB box, nothing special there. And these are a Nike Zoom Stefan Janoski canvas. They are multiple color black white. And for all you code geeks out there, these are 615957900. Now, these are actually a UK 6.5, which is a US men's 7.5. Little story. It was my birthday recently and Huxley bought me a pair of these, but they felt a little bit tight. So we've got a next size up, so we thought we'd actually do a proper unboxing. So let's have a look at these. So I haven't really had a chance to look at them anyway. So I've been, yeah. See, I only really looked at them on the morning of my birthday in the dark bedroom before I went to work, and haven't really looked at them since. So let's get these out properly and put them away. Now, these launched a couple of months ago, and I really liked them when they launched, and as usual did my old and ahhing over whether I should get a pair or not. And I saw a girl in a pair of these in Berlin. I was like, actually, I really want them, and Huxley bought them for me for my birthday. So Mr. B has pretty much all of the floral Janoskis in his collection, but I don't have any. And it's not the same as the digital floral at all. It's a lot bigger floral, if that makes sense. The pattern isn't condensed, the flowers aren't as condensed as much, but it is just a really nice pretty floral, and it's printed on the canvas as well. So I'm not sure how much of this detail we're able to pick up on sneaker cam here. So this is just called the Black Floral, no other fancy name. And you've got the embroidered Nike swoosh on both sides. You know, it's just classic shape. You've got the wax laces as well, which are a really nice touch. It's just a really nice sneaker, you know. Can't go wrong with this shape because it is just such a classic. And the pattern, as I said, it's just super nice. You can see that each shoe is different as well. And I think, you know, as I said, I've got another pair of these upstairs, which are a size 6, and I need to just see which pair fits me better before I decide which pair I'm sending back. But from memory, the floral is very different on the pair that's upstairs in the way it's printed throughout the sneaker. But these are cool, really nice. It's just a super nice pickup, particularly for fall. These are sort of sneakers that I'm gonna wear a lot and will probably end up trashing, which I hate to say. Like, there really isn't any more real detail on these. They're just super pretty. And the dog, Huxley, who is at my feet as I talk, he actually bought me the little bag that goes with him. See, I should have brought that down, shouldn't I? I'm not very good at this. Shall I go get you the bag as well so that you can see it, everybody? Okay, coming back in a minute. I'm back! So, look at this sneaker cam. So, Huxley Spaniel bought me this little bag to match my shoes. So the idea is that this is to put his ball in when we go to the park. But it's too nice for that, really. But it's super nice, little matching shoes and bags. But yeah, so out of breath from walking up all those flipping stairs. So I've just been and got the original pair just to compare. Let's have a little look. So yeah, they're so different, so different. And I prefer the pair that may be too small for me. Look, see? Look how different they are. Sneaker cam picking this up. Yes, no, yes, no. So I'm just gonna pick up the left shoe of each. No, so different, super nice. Now this pair, so this one is the size 6. which felt a little bit too small, and I quickly tried it on. And look how much prettier it is because it has the red on it. Oh no, no, Nike, what are you doing to me? Oh no, no, look, they're so different. It's ridiculous. Oh. Right, I'm gonna have to have a proper trying on session now to work out which pair actually does fit me properly. So annoying, so annoying. So as I said, UK 6.5. I think I'm gonna need that extra half size in these. But yeah, I am going to go and try these on because I'm kind of gutted about the difference in these now. No. Anyway, rambling on as always on these videos, but if you like what we're doing here, give us the old thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to come along and join us on Sundays for Sneaker Streaming Sundays, where we do the occasional unboxing, but we normally talk about what we've worn on our feet, what we've seen in the news, and also we do a little review on what we've bought as well. So come along and join in the sneaker chat and fun. I'm off to try these on and to walk the dog who is at my feet. So over and out, Pint of Stuff fans. See you soon. Bye. No, monkey, no. They're so different. All black. No, it's black floral. SB. Start again.